Are you a new mom or expectant mom looking for the ultimate guide to breastfeeding? Look no further. In this video, we'll be discussing the top benefits of breastfeeding and how it can benefit both you and your newborn. From improved health outcomes to bonding and attachment, there are so many reasons why breastfeeding is worth giving a try. So if you're wondering about the best way to nourish your little one, make sure to watch this video until the end. Hi there and welcome to Yardy Baby. If you're looking for a channel that features baby-related tips every day, then you're in the right place. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all things parenting. Breastfeeding is one of the most natural and beneficial things a mother can do for her baby. Not only is it a cost-effective and convenient way to feed your little one, but it also provides numerous health benefits for both mother and baby. In this video, we'll be discussing the top reasons why breastfeeding is so important and how it can benefit both you and your newborn. For starters, breastfeeding is an excellent source of nutrition for your baby. Breast milk is specifically designed to meet the unique nutritional needs of infants, and it contains all the necessary vitamins, minerals, and antibodies that your little one needs to grow and thrive. Breast milk is also easy for babies to digest and is less likely to cause gastrointestinal issues like constipation and diarrhea. But the benefits of breastfeeding don't stop there. Breastfeeding can also help to boost a mother's physical and emotional health. For example, breastfeeding can help to reduce the risk of certain cancers, such as breast and ovarian cancer. This is because breastfeeding can lower a woman's levels of estrogen, which has been linked to an increased risk of these types of cancer. Breastfeeding can also help to reduce the risk of osteoporosis later in life. This is because breastfeeding causes a temporary loss of calcium from a mother's bones, but research has shown that this loss is eventually replenished, leading to increased bone density in the long run. Breastfeeding can also have a positive impact on a mother's mental health, as it can help to reduce stress and improve mood. This may be due to the release of oxytocin, a hormone that is released during breastfeeding, which can have a calming effect on both mother and baby. In addition to all of these benefits, breastfeeding can also be a convenient and cost-effective way to feed your baby. Formula can be expensive, and it requires preparation and sterilization. Breast milk, on the other hand, is always ready and available, and it's completely free. Breastfeeding can also save time and hassle, as there's no need to prepare bottles or warm up formula. All a mother needs to do is feed her baby directly from the breast. But what about mothers who are unable to breastfeed or who choose not to? It's important to note that formula can be a suitable alternative for feeding a baby. However, it's important to choose a high-quality formula and to follow the instructions on the label carefully. It's also a good idea to talk to a healthcare provider or a lactation consultant for guidance on selecting the right formula and ensuring that a baby is getting enough to eat. There are also several steps that mothers can take to support breastfeeding and to ensure that it is a positive experience. For example, it's important to get support from a healthcare provider, a lactation consultant, or a support group. It can also be helpful to have a comfortable and private place to breastfeed, as well as a comfortable chair or pillow to support proper positioning. It's also important to pay attention to how a baby is latching onto the breast and to make any necessary adjustments to ensure that breastfeeding is comfortable and effective. There are also many societal and cultural benefits to breastfeeding. Breastfeeding promotes bonding and attachment between mother and baby, as it involves physical and emotional contact between the two. This can be especially important in the early weeks and months of a baby's life, as it helps to lay the foundation for a strong and secure parent-child relationship. In addition to the bonding and attachment benefits, breastfeeding can also have a positive impact on a baby's overall development. Research has shown that breastfed babies tend to score higher on developmental tests and are less likely to have certain health problems, such as asthma and allergies. This may be due to the immune-boosting properties of breast milk and the close physical contact that occurs during breastfeeding. Breastfeeding can also have a positive impact on a mother's overall health and well-being. In addition to the physical health benefits mentioned earlier, breastfeeding can also have a positive impact on a mother's mental health. It can help to reduce stress and improve mood, as well as promote a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment. Breastfeeding can also provide a sense of purpose and meaning for a mother, as it allows her to care for and nourish her baby in a very tangible way. There are also societal and cultural benefits to breastfeeding. Breastfeeding can help to normalize the act of breastfeeding in public, which can in turn help to reduce the stigma surrounding breastfeeding in public. This can be especially important for mothers who may feel self-conscious about breastfeeding in public or who may feel pressure to cover up or use a private space. Normalizing breastfeeding in public can also help to make it more socially acceptable and encourage more mothers to breastfeed their babies, which can in turn help to improve the overall health and well-being of both mothers and babies. In conclusion, breastfeeding is a natural and beneficial way to feed a baby, and it provides numerous health benefits for both mother and baby. It promotes bonding and attachment between mother and baby, and it can have a positive impact on a baby's overall development. Breastfeeding can also have a positive impact on a mother's overall health and well-being, and it can help to normalize breastfeeding in public and reduce the stigma surrounding it. If you're a new or expectant mom, we highly recommend giving breastfeeding a try and seeking support as needed to ensure that it is a positive experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful baby tips.